Welcome back to HealthTech Explorers. Today we will talk about how AI chats help students master medicine and any other science question. It's easy to fall into the trap of memorizing lecture slides and trying to regurgitate definitions. But to truly learn medicine or biology, you have to understand the concepts behind the facts. The problem? Deep understanding takes time, and sometimes textbooks or rush professors don't explain complex topics clearly enough. It can feel easier to just memorize and move on. Enter AI chatbots like ChatGPT, Perplexity, and OpenEvidence. Unlike a human tutor, they're endlessly patient and will keep breaking down explanations until you actually get it. Today, let's simulate a real student AI conversation using the classic topic of energy production in mitochondria, and see how AI can guide med students or biology students from jargon-heavy confusion to true grasp. Let's imagine the scene. Student AI conversation. Student: I keep hearing about energy production in mitochondria. Can you explain, step by step, how cells actually make energy there? AI chat: Absolutely. Mitochondria are tiny organelles inside nearly every cell, known as the powerhouses. Here's how energy, in the form of ATP, is produced. Food, mainly glucose, is broken down into smaller molecules. These molecules enter mitochondria and, using oxygen, go through the Krebs cycle, citric acid cycle, creating high-energy carriers. Electrons from these carriers flow through a chain called the electron transport chain, building up a gradient of protons, hydrogen ions, inside mitochondria. This proton gradient powers an enzyme called ATP synthase, which makes ATP, the molecule your cells use as energy currency. Student: That makes sense, but it still sounds complicated. Can you simplify it even further? AI chat: Sure. Think of mitochondria as tiny factories. They take fuel, glucose, and oxygen, run it through two main machines. The first machine, Krebs cycle, prepares the fuel. The second machine, electron transport, uses the fuel and oxygen to charge batteries, ATP. All your body's energy comes from those batteries. Student: I'm still not sure I get why ATP is so important. Can you explain ATP in one simple sentence? AI chat: ATP is like a rechargeable battery for your cells. It gives power for muscles to move, nerve cells to send signals, and everything your body does. Student: Can you make it even simpler, like it's for a child? AI chat: Your cells have tiny batteries called ATP, and mitochondria are the part of the cell that charge them up so your body can run, play, and grow. Student: And what happens if mitochondria don't work well? AI chat: If mitochondria can't make enough energy, cells get tired and sick, so you feel weak and may have health problems. In conclusion, with AI chat tools, you're never stuck with confusing jargon or rushed explanations. You can keep asking for simpler, clearer answers until you truly understand even the most complex biology. This patient, iterative approach transforms study from memorizing into real lifelong learning, giving students the confidence to tackle any topic. Next time you're lost, let AI break it down for you, one question at a time. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. See you next time.